Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide to the latest happenings in the world of business. 1 in every 5 Jamaicans surveyed believe that their job is under threat from technology. This comes from the latest Consumer Confidence Survey, showed there was a combined 7% increase in Jamaicans who felt their jobs were probably likely to be replaced and strongly likely to be replaced. This is something that needs to be noted going forward because there's a sense of urgency in terms of moving towards a greater appreciation of artificial intelligence and implications for job security, said Executive Chairman of Market Research Services Don Anderson, who presented the findings. 40% of the employed respondents were of the view that it was strongly unlikely that their jobs would be replaced by technology. This represents a 10% decline from the last quarter, suggesting reduced confidence for some Jamaicans in job security due to technological advancement, including artificial intelligence. Jamaicans are paying more for healthcare. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, says annual inflation in the health division was 4.2% for the year to March. Looking at the month of March alone, there was a 0.5% increase in the cost of health and health-related services. The movement was primarily fueled by a 0.4% rise in the average cost of medicines and health products. Other key components contributing to the uptick include a 1.2% hike in outpatient care services and a 0.6% increase in other health services. During trading on April 25, 2024, the top 3 advancing stocks covered the energy, media, and distribution sectors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. MPC Caribbean Clean Energy Limited JMD shares advanced by 12.35% for a $10 price jump to close at $91 with 150 shares traded. The Limners and Bards Limited shares advanced by 11.59% for a 16-cent price increase to close at $1.54 with 30,344 shares traded. Paramount Trading Jamaica Limited shares advanced by 11.45% for a 15-cent upward push-in price to close at $1.46 with 65,415 shares traded. During trading on April 25, 2024, the top 3 declining stocks covered the finance, real estate, and technology sectors of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Lasco Financial Services Limited declined by 18.54% for a 35-cent price slide to close at $1.54 with 58,503 shares traded. Stanley Motor Limited declined by 11.42% for a 69-cent downward price movement to close at $5.35 with 31,985 shares traded. Productive Business Solutions 10.5% shares declined by 8.75% for $105.36 drop in price to close at $1,094.64 with 600 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on April 25, 2024, registered a volume of 1,416,793 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at $10,592,180 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 90 cents. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 629,985 shares, changing hands for a value of $2,740,434 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 31 cents, followed by NCB Financial Group Limited with a volume of 505,000 shares being traded for $1,515,000 Trinidad and Tobago dollars. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On April 25, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $52.9 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $44.7 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.97 and bought the US dollar for $155.43. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.54, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 40 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.63 and bought for $114.23. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $5.07, selling it for $195.31 and buying it for $190.24. Now we turn to our weekend wealth blueprint. This weekend, consider creating a wealth blueprint to improve your current standard of living. To build wealth, you need the following: multiple streams of income, at least one passive income source, a portfolio of diversified financial assets, a network of others who are also building wealth, a consistent habit of taking risk, a basic financial education, and you need to run a business or own a part of someone else's. In crafting your weekend wealth building strategy, remember that each element contributes to a holistic approach. Combine strategies and match to your current skills and preferences to create a personalized blueprint that is geared to your goals and ambitions. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update,